Oh, hi there. I'm Dave, and I'll be guiding you through installation of the iotega panel. Now, I have to admit, I've never installed this particular unit before, but hey, that's what instructions are for, right? Let's have a look.
Oh, you're here already. Sorry, got a little behind there. I was stuck narrating a beer commercial.
Hello?
Up here.
I don't see anything.
You won't. I'm the epic narrator guy. The actual name is Nick.
Oh, well, hello, Nick. I take it you'll be leading this parade then?
Yep, I'll be talking you through this. So let's get this party started before someone decides to press the fast forward button, shall we?
Sounds splendid.
Before we get to the actual installation, we need to set up the iotega panel software first. This can be done using any device you have. For desktop users, go to the alarm.com partner portal at www.alarm.com/dealer, or on mobile, download the Mobile Tech app on your smartphone. Today we'll be using the mobile instructions. Create an account with your mobile device. Click Create New Customer. Click Create Customer. Click Security System. Select Property Type. At this point, complete your customer information.
And I shall.
All fields marked with an asterisk must be filled in.
Okay. Done.
Click Next. Now, enter your desired login name.
Entered.
Click Next. In the activation window from the control panel type, select iotega. Enter the module serial number, which can be found on the back of the iotega unit in the field marked IMEI. Click Next. Select the desired service package. Click Next when complete. The central station setup is next. Use the receiver information field to search for your specific receiver.
You got it.
You can search for the receiver you want to connect your iotega to on this page. Select it. Once the receiver is identified, enter the account number provided to you by the central monitoring station in the account number field. Here you will have the option to check any events you want to forward.
So many options.
A veritable buffet, Dave. So now, click Next. This is where you can choose to use a template. Click Apply AirFX Panel Template to proceed. Click Next. An Account Information Summary window will appear. Verify the information, and then click Create Account when complete.
That was easy. There you go.
Now, we need to find a place for the panel. Select a suitable location that is a flat, stable surface. The iotega should be placed near a power outlet. Now, turn the panel over to pull the plastic tab to activate the battery.
Battery is working.
Connect the Ethernet cable to the port on the back of the panel. Connect the other end of the cable to the wireless router.
Done and done.
Connect the barrel jack of the plug-in adapter to the power connector on the back of the panel. Route the power cable through the strain relief channel on the bottom of the panel, and then plug the adapter into an AC outlet. The iotega will power up once it's connected to AC power. The power-up sequence is as follows. The integrated keypad numbers illuminate until the iotega is fully powered up. The power LED light will take roughly a minute to illuminate.
Houston, we have liftoff.
The Internet Speed LED illuminates steady green, and the Ethernet Link Activity LED flashes rapidly to indicate that a connection is being made to the cloud. After a few minutes, the Remote Connection LED illuminates steady green, or flashing green if Installer Access window is enabled, indicating that a connection has been established. For more information on LED indicators, see Controls and Indicators in the iotega installation manual.
A great read, I might add. I could hardly put it down.
Now, we need to verify communications by reviewing the LED lights on the iotega panel. Power is displayed with a steady green light when AC power is connected. Ready to arm is steady green when partition is in a ready to arm mode. A steady red light indicates the partition is armed and is off when partition is disarmed or audible alarm annunciation is off. Steady yellow light is on when system troubles are present.
We are green like Kermit the Frog.
To confirm communications, From the menu, select Remote Toolkit. Click on Run System Check. A green checkbox in the Communications section indicates that the system is up and running. We can now do a quick run-through of the system status lights and what they mean. The lighting pattern is similar in each, regardless of which part of the system you're checking.
But check with the manual for any clarification you might need.
Here's a basic example in regards to the system's Wi-Fi status. On steady green indicates a strong signal connection. On steady yellow indicates a weak signal connection. On steady red means there's no signal. And the light is off when it's not actively connected to Wi-Fi.
Roger that, we are good to go.
To manually enroll from a mobile device, from the menu, click Equipment. Click Sensors. Click Add Sensor. Enter the sensor ID in the field provided. Enter the zone definition and sensor name. Then add the serial number. Click Go. Check to confirm that the device has been added successfully. To auto-enroll, in Sensor Management, click Add Sensor Auto Learn. Then press the Enroll button on the device. The app will recognize the enrolled item. Enter the device name and group as desired.
More enrollment going on here than at Harvard. Sorry about that. Nick.
Anyway, to walk test, under Sensor Management, click Walk Test. Click Begin Walk Test. A walk test confirms that all of the devices are within an acceptable range of the panel. Click End Walk Test when complete. Please note that the devices will show up on the walk test screen in the app once they are tripped, but will only appear the first time they are tripped, not each time. Your iotega system is now set up.
Super! Want to grab lunch?
Not so fast. We need to walk through the troubleshooting section first.
Of course. I knew that.
So, if a trouble condition is present on the system, the trouble light keypad turns on, and the system beeps every 10 seconds. Note, trouble beeps are set to silent by default. Troubles can be viewed directly from the iotega integrated keypad. View trouble details by pressing *2 on the iotega keypad. The trouble key flashes if an access code is needed. The iotega can display up to 3 layers of trouble information. Refer to the manual for more details on troubleshooting. And that's it. We're good to go.
Really? We're done?
Yeah.
Cool. I feel like we should hug or something.
How about a high five?
All right, man. That's clever. You got me.
You're not the first, Dave.